What is up, YouTube? Today I have a curly hawk I want to share with you guys. I think it came out super fresh. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let's go. Alright, so I'm going to start off this cut by using my one guard and just laying down the hair, with the grain. That way when you line it up in the back, it just looks a lot cleaner. Now I'm just going to make a line, my first guideline to start the fade. And now no guard, lever open and close, just fading out that line that I just made. And now with my half guard, just fading up, opening and closing the lever. Now with my one guard, same thing. And you just basically work your way up to like the 2 guard or 1.5, I think it was in this case. And I'm just, lining him up. Now with my shaver, I'm just cleaning down the bottom, making sure it's extra fresh, extra clean. And now I'm just fading in the beard. Now I'm just lining up his beard. Now I'm just putting some hot lather along with a hot towel. And I'm using the babyless massager. I'm just hitting it with the razor so it can, look extra sharp. And now I'm just applying some beard oil. And now I'm just applying some leave-in conditioner. I want to say whenever you like dye hair, or like with even with curly hair, when you apply a leave-in conditioner, it just brings the hair back to life and makes the curls tighter. I personally like using the leave-in conditioner on all my clients that have curly hair. I'm just making sure that I really got it in there. And now with my Dyson blow dryer, I have a diffuser that came with it, and I use that whenever I'm drying curly hair, or you can also use it when you're trying to texture hair on top. It works just as well, because if you just use the regular blow dryer, I feel like it straightens the hair out, but with the diffuser it just kind of like gives it curls and gives it texture. And now I'm using my airbrush to enhance his lineup. Fade's still super smooth, super clean. He had really nice hair. This was pretty easy. And whenever I'm applying it, I want to make it seem like it's kind of like part of the hair. So I don't just spray lines, I kind of give it some shade. Now I'm just hitting it with the razor to make that line extra sharp. And there's the finished product. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments once again. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's _Vic_the_barber_.